stop using a checking account. And here are 4 reasons why you should stop using a checking account and instead use a home equity line of credit as a safer place to store your cash. Number 1, HELOCs have a higher interest rate. Typically, in a normal market, HELOCs typically have a higher interest rate than a checking account. We're in weird times where now you're starting to see checking accounts have higher interest rates than a HELOC because banks are flooding the market with high yield checking and savings accounts, but they're also promoting introductory offer HELOCs at 1.99 to 2.99%. This is an anomaly. Let's just say traditionally HELOCs have a higher rate than a checking account, so therefore store your cash in the HELOC since it's at a higher rate. That way you suppress the balance and get more savings. Number 2 is risk of fraud. That money sitting in a checking account attached to a debit card it opens you up to inappropriate transactions or fraudulent transactions and your account being compromised. However, with a home equity line of credit, what is tied to it is a credit card, which limits your risk of fraud by utilizing a home equity line of credit. Number 3 is you have protection against bank failures. So think about it. Money in a checking account, if a bank fails and you have over $250,000 in there is no longer FDIC insured, well, your deposits are at risk of being compromised and not really insured by the FDIC. However, in a home equity line of credit, it's a secured collateralized asset, which is the equity in your home, which massively reduces the risk of utilizing your HELOC as a vessel to store cash. And then number 4, flexibility. HELOCs offer more flexibility than checking accounts in terms when you can access your funds and how you use them. You can withdraw funds from a HELOC no differently than you could with a home equity or with a checking account than you could with a home equity line of credit. So money moves in and out 24/7 with access to your home equity line of credit. So these are 4 reasons why a HELOC is a safer place to store cash than a checking account. Take care. God bless.